Artificial intelligence is transforming how medical devices sense, diagnose, and guide therapy, but the moment your algorithm influences a clinical decision, regulators expect far more than accuracy claims and polished demos. They require proof that your AI improves outcomes, reduces risk, and behaves reliably under real-world conditions, not just in curated training sets. AI performance must be robust across diverse patient populations, imaging variations, physiological differences, and environmental conditions. Regulators look closely at dataset representativeness, labeling quality, and bias mitigation, because an algorithm that works only on ideal cases fails the moment it meets clinical reality. Your evidence strategy must show that your model handles the full spectrum of real patients, not just the clean training subset. Model drift is another regulatory priority. Algorithms evolve as data changes, populations shift, sensors age, and clinical workflows differ from test environments. You must define how drift will be monitored, what thresholds trigger review, and how updates are validated before deployment. A device that silently deteriorates is a safety hazard, which is why good machine learning practice, or GMLP, emphasizes lifecycle monitoring, post-market surveillance, and controlled updates. AI cannot be a black box. If errors occur, they must be understandable, detectable, and recoverable. Regulators expect audit trails, confidence metrics, anomaly detection, and fallback modes that protect the patient. If your AI misinterprets a signal or produces a low-confidence output, the system must enter a safe state, escalate to manual workflow, or provide clear and actionable messaging. Safety interlocks, override logic, and human factors alignment must all be built into the architecture. Most importantly, AI validation must reflect real-world use, not curated demo cases, hand-selected datasets, or simulated workflows. Real clinical validation means testing under realistic noise, motion artifacts, variability, user differences, and workflow pressures. It means demonstrating that your AI supports clinicians instead of distracting them, and that it reduces, not introduces, risk under ISO 14971 and IEC 62366. At Concise Engineering, we connect AI claims to evidence strategies that withstand regulatory scrutiny. We align datasets with clinical relevance, build traceability from risk to algorithm behavior, define drift monitoring plans, and help teams validate AI in the environments where it will actually be used. If you want your algorithm to become a tool clinicians trust, not a black box they fear, let's build evidence that proves your AI is ready for real patient care.